state lawmakers are concerned about a $100 million relief effort spearheaded by Governor Bill Lee to help Hurricane Helene victims in East Tennessee. Lawmakers are specifically concerned about how the money will be spent because the governor called it a loan. Our Desmond Nugent spoke with two legislators. So, Desmond, I understand they told you those storm recovery funds can impact Governor Lee's attempt at a school voucher plan.
That's exactly what State Representatives John Ray Clemens and Mark White tell me. Clemens believes Governor Lee is looking to underfund public schools even more if he has his way, while White is still awaiting confirmation from the governor's administration on whether school vouchers will be discussed in next year's session. $100 million. That's the amount of money Hurricane Helene victims in East Tennessee will soon have access to. But according to Governor Lee, the funds will have to be paid back because it's a loan. That's just one of many issues for State Representative John Ray Clemens. While the state has billions of dollars left from the American Rescue Plan, the governor is once again pushing for his school voucher plan.
We have some of the lowest funded per pupil schools in the entire country. And now he's talking about stealing another $1 billion a year from our public school system.
State Representative Mark White says he hasn't heard from the governor on whether school vouchers will be on the table again for next year's session. He is focused on how to better serve Memphis-Shelby County schools.
I think it's a much bigger picture. We need to make, first of all, sure that every child has an opportunity to receive the best education, that child. And that includes parental choice. That includes a choice for all children.
The school voucher bill failed in April during last year's legislative session. ABC 24 political analyst Otis Sanford says he's surprised Governor Lee is taking another shot to push this legislation forward.
It just doesn't look good to say I'm going to still continue to try to push to give $144 million to private schools when we have public schools in some very hard-hit areas that are in shambles and can't open because of flooding and damage.
Sanford says the bill didn't pass because Republicans, who are the supermajority, do not like vouchers because it hurts public schools, including Memphis-Shelby County schools. We'll keep you posted closer to next year's session. Kevin.